All right, so a couple things here. First thing is, unfortunately, for whatever reason, Cub Cadet specs a 37 3/4 inch belt, and I just wanted to pick something up. Nothing like that exists. You can get a 37.5, you can get a 38, so I went with a 38. When this engages, hopefully there's enough extra there that this will pull tight and engage correctly. So that's our belt, 1/2 inch V belt. Now, I'm gonna do what I think is a trick that would make it so that we don't have to split the case on this. Other ones I've done before, this is meant to hold the belt in, and I see several of these around so that there's no way a belt could come off. But in this instance, I only see one, plus this when you're not engaged. So I'm gonna spin this around, like pretend like I'm getting this from up top, and I'm going to engage this, which, see how when I engage that piece moves away, and I'm going to spin that around just like so. All right, now if I'm grabbing this from up here, I think that there's probably enough, maybe, I don't know. We'll try going the other way with it. So I'm pretending like I'm up top side and I can't get down there. So maybe if I just sent a screwdriver down while I'm spinning this from the top, and I get that to go on, and then I'm still up top, but I get this out of the way. I think this can be done. Now, I'm going to do it like this because I've already got it all apart and I don't want to chance it. But certainly if I was going to do this again, I would try to get it without splitting the case, because that's obviously going to be way easier.